One of them's got a new engine though, doesn't it?
Yeah. How'd you know that?
Because I was down there in Wyoming when
the one to the outside, 28.
What are you up to?
Well, what do you think?
I need to get them moved. One of these is the one I stepped off the track and landed on the ground. But one of them, dang near got me. Undercarriage is kind of on run out, but it's got really nice track frames on it. See that, how that plate it's been welded right here, this plate. That's a strengthening issue that'll add weight. Makes that track frame really strong. Frame looks good. Oh, might have a crack down here on the piston frame. Rollers are down. Instead of rollers, I'd say it's a run out undercarriage. Pads are less than 50. Fine example of this D11N here. Got a tranny guard. See right there, they call that the tranny guard. That big thing hangs it over the tranny. And then that there with all the hoses going into it, it's called the octopus. The octopi. The air cleaner on each side, that's custom. We've made those. We've made those air filters probably because they were working in really dirty environment. Might have a fuel tank leak. See, this side doesn't have that plate on the. We're needing a set of undercarriage for the old D11s.
Both of them?
Yeah, well, I run them out, but they're getting pretty out down there.
Yeah, I have a set of tracks for them.
And the rollers are about, you're going to have to do a whole system.
So I'm getting rid of them.
You missed the best shot of it all.
When you pulled up there was no track.
I know, I was thinking I should have got that. That would have been a good Instagram. That crossed my mind.
I can't believe you missed it.
I'm in a hurry. Bucket quarter.
Serious?
Yeah.
Well,
They're Ann's, dude.
Who cares? They're mine. They're worth more than that.
That's what they're worth.